tutorial shows you how to enable NFC for contactless payments and data transfer on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main Settings menu with various options. Following that, scroll down and tap on Connections to access connectivity settings. Now, you'll see different connection options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Moving forward, look for the NFC and contactless payments option in the list. Afterwards, tap on NFC and contactless payments to open the settings. In addition to that, you'll see a toggle switch next to NFC at the top. Once you're on this page, tap on the toggle to turn on NFC. Subsequently, the toggle will turn blue, indicating that NFC is now enabled. Moreover, you can also enable Android Beam or Tap and Pay features if available. Afterwards, scroll down to see additional NFC settings and payment options. Then you can set your default payment app for contactless transactions. Within this section, tap on Contactless Payments or Default Payment App. Alternatively, select your preferred payment app like Google Pay from the list. Once you've enabled NFC, you can use it for payments, file sharing, and pairing devices. Then simply tap your phone to NFC-enabled terminals or devices to use this feature. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn on NFC on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.